mixing up a little bit of epoxy putty here for this Bristol Corsair. Trying to finish up this deck, most of which is done. Got this one outside repair with the puncture through. Settling that. Already got some glass cut. Trying to do this quickly. Sitting in the sun up there. Got some resin already going. I'm gonna coat this nicely. Just put a little on there actually. Okay. Chunk of stuff. I'll get my first layer on there. And the second layer. And see how I'm putting the edge here along the deck line, or rather the non-skid line. So I got a little bit of a height difference. That's built in, I guess you could say, right? A lot more stuff. And oh yeah, my buddy helping me. Threw some resin in my center bucket and it kicked off my thing. I forgot about that. So, do it old school, level it up with this spreader best I can. We don't need no stinking tools. I've actually done repairs like this with no grinder, no nothing. Just use a chisel, rip all that out. Use some basic hand tools, chisel, hammer. And you can see that's a little bit low on the center. I can see it, but it's okay. A little stuff to it after. Alright. So this will have to dry. It should dry pretty quickly in the sun. And I will hit that with a grinder.